All right, so yeah, this is the second property we here. This side, that's the other side. We putting the floors in. So there you go, straight from Home Depot. And these floors are a little different, lighter. So it's going in, it's going in. And you can see the ceilings that are done. They're not painted yet, but you know, they're working. They're working, and then of course they're gonna do the back bedrooms. So it feel a lot bigger because they took part of the porch and enclosed it so you can make a bigger sitting area right there. And then, so you can see the perspective. You see the ceiling. So hopefully by the end of this weekend, all the floors will be complete. And move on to the next phase, which is getting the kitchen done, the bathroom, the electric work for the lights, painting, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But it's a long way to go, but it is what it is. So this is the back bedroom. Oh, you can see the ceiling they did. But they're gonna put the floors in after. And here's the other room. Can't go inside, but I can. Might be a little, okay. Sorry about that, but this is the other bedroom. There's the ceiling. Yeah, so this is it. Keep pushing, you heard? Anyway, we're here at the second place. We changed the floors here. They finished the bedroom and the main room.
And this room are big also.
Yeah. I think yeah. So we went with the light floors. So I think the only part left is the shower. The bedroom, bathroom. That's it. So we here, the floors are done. Just gotta get cleaned up, of course. It's all done. So I don't know what I'm gonna do next, if I'm gonna do the electric work or the kitchen or the bathroom. Got so much other stuff going on. Either way, at least this is out of the way. Second bedroom. And the bathroom. A little dark in here, but so yeah, so we'll see about finishing this one up. I don't know when, but it's cool. It's cool. All right, that's it.